just finishing up work here and about to head down to my favorite local camera store, film camera store, Inglewood Camera, and try and pick up some Fuji film, see what I can get from them. Might try and get more than I'm allowed to because I really want to just have some, just to like shoot. I want some 35, I want some 120, and just kind of begin the last of my Fuji journey. And to be honest, I don't even shoot Fuji like film that much. I never shot it that much. I shot a little bit when I started, but I more so lean towards black and white, and then just Kodak stuff. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. I'm excited for it, and we'll honestly just see what I capture with it. I might not even shoot it. I might save this film for the summer when it's more bright. Well, it already is more bright out. But when, the colors are more popping and green, not so just kind of gray and dead and brown like they are right now. And just do some street photography with it to see what I get with that specific film stock. So, yeah, super excited. Let's go pick some up. Dude, wearing glasses, freaking mask sucks. Anyway, just left Inglewood Camera and did what I came here to do and nothing else. I was tempted to look at other lenses and cameras and stuff, but for one, thankfully they didn't have like any Leica stuff in there. Too much Leica stuff. They had Leica stuff, but lenses that I'm not necessarily interested in at the moment. But I did end up picking up some Ortho Plus here, if the camera will ever so kindly focus on it, as well as 2 rolls of Fuji. So I got some Pro 400H and 120N35. Really curious to just kind of shoot this film and kind of just see, have my last bout with it. But absolutely love this store. They're fun. They always kind of just have what you need when it comes to any type of camera gear. They've been around for a long time. Really nice owner, Bryce, and everything. So again, thank you guys for this very expensive Fuji film. I really hope I just enjoy the results I get out of it. That's the biggest thing. But also, when I came out, I noticed this car behind me that had some pretty interesting, things attached to it. I don't know what's going on with it. But I decided just to take out, my Leica Q and just take a few snaps of it, because if something catches your eyes, it's always just worth shooting, even if there's nothing there. But that's just the importance of carrying around your camera with you. It's been a cold few weeks here, and I haven't been that active in terms of just making videos, but I have been taking advantage of taking photos, and I've really been enjoying it. Just kind of documenting, doing a lot of that opposed to street photography. And I guess I should just say that I've been doing a lot of documentary work, and I slowed down on my street photography stuff. One, because I've just been busy with work, and then two, because I want to dive more into documentary work this year and explore that. So I've just been enjoying being at home, being around family and some friends and whatnot, and just being on my own and taking that time to document and enjoy the experience that is life during this cold March winter. So this snow is actually starting to fall like quite heavily, and I'm trying to see if there's like a picture somewhere I want to kind of take. But I am also enjoying my new camera, a new toy I bought for myself, thanks to life and jobs that I've been working as well, and that's the a7S III. And this is my second weather sealing test with the camera. First one I got it pretty soaked, and I'm glad it still works. It was really risky, to be honest. I've never brought in my cameras out in like conditions like this, only for like a matter of 2 seconds with some pictures. I do need to get a UV filter or something to just slap on the front of the lens there, because it's snowing on the lens right now. But I want to try and find just somewhere to just shoot a nice photo and capture this snowfall, because it's so peaceful right now, so quiet, even though I have my car going in the background. But yeah, I love this, man. Just peace and snow and quiet. That's one reason I love the snow. Peace and quiet.